Alright guys, good morning guys. Guys, so whoo, Mr. B, good morning. Break time. Si Mr. Yeah, Bebe guys, good morning, my baby. Continuous kayo lahat, everybody guys. So catching E with Papa Jer guys. See, enjoy again in Saipan. Even Yaba still sick, but short life, enjoy lang guys. Tinan yung mga fisherman dito guys. I-lover. Yan. Nandun sila guys Kaya si Papa Jer guys, baka sabihin nyo hindi nag-fishing din to. Nag-fishing na guys. Nag-break time lang. Baka mamama surprise pa mo sa kuha ko eh. Baka sabihin nyo papalato naman si Papa Jer guys. Tingnan nyo guys. Layo na. Naputol. Guys, para makita nyo sa akin kahit nag-break time ako guys, tingnan nyo ng huli ko ngayon. Kasi ayusin ko din ng akin nga may kuha. Ayan guys, hindi ano yan, hindi pick yan. Hindi camera yan, kagaya sa Amerika. Hindi papalato yan guys. Ayun na guys, ayan laki na guys. Woohoo! Good morning, Mr. Baby. Yeah, baby. Guys, please support for this channel, guys. She's always enjoying dark too. Dark, yung dark no. Ganda guys ang huli yun. Yan ang iya. See, whoop, baka wala pa. Meron pa akong kaibigan ito. Driver naman to ng mobile truck. Ngayon guys, dahil naka 2 minutes tayo, tinan nyo naman huli ko, baka sabi nyo papalapo si Papa Jer baka sabi nyo I'm from America and then I come back and I'm liar again. The next scammer. No guys, I'm not scammer guys. Look at si Papa Jer guys. But continue tayo guys. Sabi, continue tayo guys. Yan lang huli natin guys. At bata yan guys, kung di pa tayo tapos. That's finish guys. Continue natin, ayusin natin yung ang red natin. By the way guys, somebody looking reel. Rod. Only this one guys. 4,000 Shimano. Okay. Brand new Shimano guys. I give only $70 to carry this one guys. 4,000 Shimano guys. Alright. If somebody need or looking, just visit to Papa Jer guys. Shimano 4,000. Good for Maputi. Right. Yan lang guys. Ito Ito guys para naman sa mga pang-blessing sa mga tropa ding iba. Mura na yan guys sa inyo guys. Alright. And by the way, this again guys, I catching but it still continues guys. Because I want to fix it my line. Alright. Not scammer guys. That's Papa Jer guys. Alright. Yuhuu. Continues natin guys. I love you guys. I love you mama. And I love you mama in the land. I love you, Mr. B, in Sacramento, California, with Omar Isley, guys. Let's go school, guys. Continuous. Alright, yeah, baby, guys. Shout out to yeah, baby. See? Wow.
Golden Green, mga master.
Si si taga Tanapag, si Golden Green, di ba? Di ba may bangka siya? Yeah. Si Yabibi, ako Yabibi, si Golden Green pala to. Si Coaching. Nagko-coach to guys sa ayun ayun pa yan mo. Tinan mo si Golden Green ang tagal namin hindi nakita din to guys. Ayun
Sa Sacramento Ito mga idol, ayan
puta na yun, lalaki to.
Ayan, yan sa may marina.
Sa marina to, sabi ni Yabibi. Sige bro.
Green, hindi ya baby.
Si Golden Green.
Magalit sa'yo si ya baby niyan.
Alright, mag-shout out ka dre sa mga tropa mo.
Shout out dyan. Jobber!
Yeah, Jober.
Si Papa Jerry, nahuli ko na.
Yes, sir. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. Continuous namin ulit ito habang may ipa.
Oo.
Alright, mga. Let's go lang. Grain.
Golden green.
Golden grain. Alright. Good morning, guys. This may kiloan, guys. 1 pound. 2 pounds. Okay, yesterday. By the way, guys, I fishing yesterday too, and then I selling that fish $40 in the beach side, guys. Hidden breach in the house. I continuous ko lang ngayon, guys, ang yesterday, tsaka today, guys. Ngayon merong customer akong ulit, guys. Today, need only this is my old friend. Bigyan ko siya, guys, ng bali 2 pounds. At least may itong ulam na tayo, guys. Kasi hindi naman tayo nagtagal sa fishing, guys. Hindi naman 2 pounds kasi din. 3. 5. Ito. Sampu. Well, this size, tingnan natin 2 pounds natin. Ayan, guys, 1 pound lang, guys. Bali, malilit. Di 2 pounds ibigay natin. At least press na yun, guys, At least ng maputi, guys. Ayan, 2 pounds yun, guys, no? Hindi na sa logi dyan, guys. Yan. Tama, guys. At least, i-continuous ko lang din ang video. Kasi yung kahapon, hindi ko na ng video, guys. Bali, 10 yan, guys. Tama ba yung kilo natin, guys? Yan. Kahapon, hindi natin na-videoan ko yun, guys, pero hindi ko natapos, nakalimutan ko. Kaya ito ngayon, huli natin, na-videoan natin ngayon. Tsaka yung may bumili na 2 pounds, pero sinubukan pa natin isang guhit, guys. At least may pambili tayo ng buying the breed for the Big Mama. Kasi may uli tayong Big Mama, Tsaka malakapas, guys. Kaya bukas busy tayo. Ayan, guys, marami na yung Okay. Si Mr. Green. Yung palang namit ko kapon guys. Yun na lang ulamin natin ngayon guys. At least mayroon tayong ulam ngayon. Kapon kasi nabinta natin lahat yung ay siling all may fish. $40 yesterday. Alright.